Can the truth be a sin? Most people think gossip is just lies, but Miko the Muse Rat is here to tell you that the most dangerous gossip is actually the truth. When you share someone's secrets, even if they read 100% true just to ruin their reputation, that's not being honest. That's character assassination. If your intention is to destroy, your truth is just a weapon. Intention changes everything. Speaking the truth is only safe when it's meant to heal, not to hurt. If you're using facts to burn someone's world down, you're not a truth teller. You're a parasite. So before you speak, ask yourself, is it true? Is it necessary? And most importantly, is it kind? Because a weaponized truth is the loudest form of gossip. Would you still speak the truth if it could destroy a life? Comment your thoughts below. Miko wants to know. And if you hate gossip, drop a green heart for Miko's cap.